Good evening, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and I have not been able to get online all day. One of the major players here, we have Bell and we have Rogers. Those are the two main ones. And Rogers has been down since 5 a.m. that I know of, and it is 5 p.m. now, and I believe that they were having difficulties even before that. Now, rumor has it that they were doing a system change, upgrade, whatever, and that stands to reason because that would be the time of day that they would do that. But it has resulted in a complete system shutdown. So no phones, no internet, no debit transactions. So yeah, I have Rogers as an internet provider. I do not have them as my cell phone provider. I don't believe in giving one firm all my business, and this is one reason why. When they go down, everything goes down. So if I haven't been able to communicate with you, that is why. I am going to try and get this video out just to let you know. And bottom line is, yes, when technology fails, and it will do so, what are you going to do? When the power goes down, what are you going to do? You have to have systems in place. You have to have, at least to be able to look after yourself for a few days, a couple of weeks. I mean, I can survive without the internet. No problem. I don't know if I can post too many videos and anything of any length, but I certainly can survive it. So anyway, this is just a little update. Hope everyone is happy and doing well and have no issues, but we're down. And I'm going to see if I can get into my car and post this off-site someplace. I don't know if I can or not, but we'll try to do that. Okay. Take care, and we will catch you as soon as the internet goes up. I haven't been able to respond to your queries, and through no fault of my own. Anyway.